Accountants would like you to believe that accounting is terrifyingly complex, like rocket science, nuclear physics, or artificial intelligence. But that's not really true. Keep it simple stupid isn't an insult. It's a design principle attributed to a legendary aircraft design engineer working for the U.S. Navy in about 1960. According to the story, Kelly Johnson handed a team of design engineers a handful of tools. He challenged them to design a jet aircraft that could be repaired by an average mechanic under combat conditions, with only the tools he'd given them. I was first introduced to the KISS principle by an accounting instructor in college. And for the longest time I thought it was one of the fundamental accounting principles. At SBA Canada we believe that it is. But the sad fact is that business schools and the accounting profession don't work that way. Most often they like to start by complicating things. Presumably they do this so they can sell you a course of studies or a set of accounting standards that can address the complexities they invented themselves. If you imagine an average mechanic maintaining a jet aircraft under combat conditions with a very limited set of tools, you're probably describing the accounting and tax compliance needs faced by most small businesses. More than 80% of Canada's businesses have 4 or fewer staff, and most don't employ a bookkeeper. Note that for the sake of this analogy, we substituted a bookkeeper for a mechanic. Our point is, when it comes to systems design, human resources and skills are an essential consideration in any system. While lousy bookkeeping probably won't kill many people, good systems design should accommodate the skills of the people using the system.